Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing? I'm over here on Honey Creek in Swandale. The second cul-de-sac, I guess you can say, where they're fixing the sidewalks. The other one is the one right outside the back alley on Swandale, which they're there currently. You don't really see them right now, but they're there. I already got a photo. Just wanted to show y'all, in case you missed it, you're wondering, keeping up to date, even if you don't live in this area, or perhaps you do. So here's this black cord, right? It goes all the way up, and at the end, it just coils, and it just looks like a cut black cord. I think at some point in time today, I'll probably take a photo of that. And it's right next to a advertisement for a tree trimming service. It just has the phone number. It doesn't have the company name or anything. It says tree trimming and a phone number. But anyway, I wanted to show y'all this part one because it's not so loud, even though it's all of a sudden busy. There was one car when I walked out of the back alley. It's a white Prius. Anyway, so we got this black cord right here. You see that? Going all the way down. I guess I'll show y'all over there too, because I think that part's already buried. There's the mail. That's a really odd route for them to go. We must have already got the mail, but it's way too early, 8:30. The mail's doing a different route. But I just wanted to show y'all. I think that was the previous Google Fiber. They say this is Google Fiber. That's what my mom and Tracy say. I don't know where they got that information. But I think this was the line for the Google Fiber. This one right here. And it had these orange and black cords in it. And that's the one that I see like everywhere when I'm jogging, obviously, because I look down a lot sometimes when I'm jogging. And it looks like over here we have an orange cord that just kind of ends right here, the new one. And it's in the private property there. So, just wanted to show y'all that, keep y'all up to date. They have Hong Kong. Right now it's these two that are torn up. But there's cones on every little side neighborhood like that. This is the main street, Swandale, and every little side street like Honey Creek, and Swandale has a lot of creeks in it. I mean, all on Google Maps, right? So, all the way up Swandale. So, as far as Google Fiber, and there's Bento. Here's Super Snipper. I guess on this side, y'all want to see the Google Fiber. I guess they're gonna have to cut the street again. So I guess CPS and Google Fiber are different. I don't know. Apparently both are funded by City of San Antonio. I've seen Google Fiber work recently after 2021 and after. And there's usually the sign that they have out. The sign for this road work is is not clearly visible at all times. I guess the wind must have got it and it fell over. I guess. But oh my gosh, there's little dandelions where my favorite tree used to be, and mushrooms. Can y'all see them? Anyway, and there's little birds over there too. But anytime there's been road work, and you look at the sign, because usually there has to be a sign. I don't know if that's city law or what, but any road work in residential areas, there's a sign, and I think also in commercial areas too. So, ooh. Um, there's been a sign, and it's more than the name of the construction company and the city department. And especially with Google Fiber and Global Optics, always their signs has like a lot of information on it, which I can't say for this right here. But anyway, that's what's been that's the update. May 8th, the day after my mom's birthday. They're gonna pretend they don't know who I am. It's 2024. You should know what a selfie is. Oh my gosh, look everybody, I need to be sent to the hospital for schizophrenia, maybe marijuana induced. They might even still go with that. Because I'm taking selfies in the neighborhood. What is this about? Anyway, so that's the update. They haven't gotten much work done, obviously. So this kind of reminds me a lot of the highway. If you scroll through my past social media, you'll see the highway on 1604 and I-10. They just tore up like a mile, 2 miles of the highway, just all torn up. And so when you're driving in the 2-lane highway, 1604 has different names, and one of it is the death loop because it's just a 2-lane highway, and I think the speed limit is 70. But they tore up like 2 miles of the highway, and they're not even working on that part of the highway. In front of the UTSA campus on 1604, they built a new UTSA campus downtown, and they acquired a Southwest School of Arts downtown. So now there's minimum like 3 different campuses downtown for UTSA, which I think is weird. It's not like, the city's not like Austin. But anyway, in case you didn't know, there's not a lot of college festivities going on downtown. I went to a UTSA downtown campus, but it's an incredibly smaller campus. It used to be. It was. It's the UTSA 1604 campus is the main campus. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is they tore down the highway right in front of it. And it's been a long time. I can't imagine going to UTSA, spending all that money. I think fees have gone up. And the front of your campus looks like that. But anyway, there's the update. I'm gonna get my puppy. He likes hanging out in this area. So good morning, everybody. Another day, another dollar. Good luck. What else do you want me to say? I would say stay stupid, but you know, that can be confirmed.